Welcome to today's daily nature session. I'm so glad you're here, taking this moment for yourself. Whether you've had a busy day or just need a little space to breathe, this session is designed to help you relax, unwind, and feel more grounded. Let's begin. Let's take a moment to settle in and relax. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting, lying down, or even standing, and let your body rest naturally. Close your eyes if you'd like, and bring your attention to your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment and then gently exhale through your mouth. Let's do this a few more times. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, let go of any tension you're holding in your shoulders, your jaw, or anywhere else in your body. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. There's no rush. Simply follow the rhythm, letting your breaths come and go at their own pace. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just bring your focus back to your breathing. Now, shift your attention to the points of contact between your body and the surface you're resting on. Feel the support beneath you, steady and grounding. Let this awareness anchor you in the present moment. With each breath, allow yourself to feel a little lighter, a little calmer. When you're ready, let's take a journey into nature together. Now, picture yourself stepping into a peaceful birch forest. You see tall, slender white trunks reaching up to the sky, their bark marked with dark, brushstroke-like patterns. Above, the leaves sway gently, letting sunlight filter through the branches and scatter onto the soft forest floor. You feel the ground beneath your feet, a mix of moss, fallen leaves, and earthy soil. Each step creates a light crunch, a reminder of the energy and life all around you. Take a deep breath. The air is cool and fresh, carrying a faint, sweet scent of birch bark and damp earth. As you walk further into the forest, you hear birds chirping in the distance, their songs blending naturally. A soft breeze brushes past, rustling the leaves above. You notice the cool air on your skin, balanced by the warm rays of sunlight peeking through the trees. You come across a small stream winding its way through the forest. The water sparkles as it flows over smooth stones, making a soothing, gentle sound. Sunlight dances on the ripples, creating tiny rainbows on the surface. You dip your fingers into the stream. It's cool and refreshing, a little moment of connection to the life in this peaceful place. Moving on, you find a quiet grove surrounded by tall birch trees. The ground is covered in soft, vibrant moss that feels like nature's perfect cushion. You decide to lie down, letting yourself sink into its softness. As you relax, you close your eyes and feel the sun warming your face. The sounds of the forest wrap around you, the rustling leaves, a bird's distant call, and the occasional creak of a tree swaying gently in the breeze. You notice the stillness all around and within you. placing a hand on your chest, you feel your breath moving in and out, steady and calm. With each exhale, you let go of any tension, letting it melt into the ground beneath you. Right now, you're fully present. There's nothing to do, nowhere to be. The forest holds you in its quiet, comforting embrace, offering peace and renewal. Take a few more deep breaths, soaking in this calm and beautiful moment. In today's session, we will reflect on small acts of kindness. In our busy lives, it's easy to feel like grand gestures or big accomplishments are what matter most. But often, it's the small, thoughtful actions that leave the deepest impact. Imagine this. You're standing in line and someone lets you go ahead because you're in a rush. Or maybe you've had a tough day and a simple smile or kind word from a stranger helps you feel a little lighter. These moments might seem small, but they create ripples of positivity that extend far beyond that moment. Kindness starts with noticing the small opportunities around you. Maybe it's complimenting a coworker on a job well done, offering to help a neighbor carry groceries, or texting a friend to let them know you're thinking about them. Even holding the door open for someone or saying thank you with genuine warmth can make someone's day a little brighter. The beautiful thing about kindness is that it's not just a gift for the other person. It's a gift for yourself, too. Studies show that acts of kindness can boost your own mood, reduce stress, and create a sense of connection with others. Today, as you go about your day, look for one small opportunity to be kind. Maybe it's something simple like offering encouragement, listening without distractions, or sharing a moment of laughter with someone. These small actions, though easy to overlook, carry a quiet power to uplift both you and those around you. Take a deep breath now, letting that thought settle. Enjoy the sounds and peace of this forest for a few more moments, and carry the intention of kindness with you as you step back into your day. As we come to the end of today's session, take a moment to bring your attention back to your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it out gently. Feel the calm you've created within yourself. When you're ready, start to bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch a little if it feels good, and let your body reawaken at its own pace. Thank you for joining me today in this moment of calm and reflection. I hope this time helped you feel more relaxed and grounded. Remember, you can carry this sense of peace and intention with you throughout your day. I look forward to seeing you again for tomorrow's session. Until then, take care of yourself and have a wonderful day. Goodbye for now.